Hello, Michael Tellinger here, talking to you from Stone Circle Lodge and Museum, with the notice that I'll be doing the one and only Ancient Ruins, Stone Circle Ruins at Adams Calendar workshop and tour on the weekend of the 5th to the 7th of December 2025. I've decided to end the year on a high, and I haven't done a tour or a workshop for a long time, so I felt that this is maybe a good time to do that. So if you like what I do, if you're interested in the ancient vanished civilizations of Southern Africa and especially South Africa, if you're mesmerized and fascinated by the ancient ruins, the stone circles, Adams Calendar, the Taurus stones, the advanced ancient tools, the tools and artifacts in my Stone Circle Museum, join me for that weekend. It's going to be an intimate weekend, 20 people max, and it's going to be Q&A. We're going to discuss all these things, going to go into detail about what I've discovered over the last 17 years doing the research here among the ancient ruins of South Africa. Keep in mind that this is probably one of the best kept secrets in archaeology. We are sitting on the largest concentration of stone ruins anywhere on Earth. Largest concentration and evidence of an ancient vanished civilization. You can't get this in Egypt or Peru or Bolivia or Mexico or India. This is it. Mpumalanga, South Africa is where you get that. So don't just drive by between Joburg and the Kruger Park. Stop here. But even more so, if you're interested in this, come and join me for the weekend, 5 to 7 December. And let's have a fantastic weekend. We'll see the museum, we'll go up to the ruins, we'll go to Adams Calendar, and we'll have breakfasts and dinners and great conversation. I'll also go into the workshop will consist of talking about sound and the importance of sound in all of this. Keep in mind that sound, resonance and frequency is a component in the mechanisms of the stone circles, how they work, what they actually are, what they were originally created for. Same thing about Adams Calendar. And then the Taurus stones, especially in the wake of discovering that one of the Taurus stones in my museum actually cured my friend Martin from cancer, 3rd stage cancer. So I'll connect all those dots for those that are interested. Talk about the importance of sound, resonance and frequency, vibrational frequency, magnetic fields, how all of this connects together. And that also connects to a deeper conversation and a deeper comprehension of quantum fields, quantum energy, subatomic particles, if you want to call them that, which is really the wrong expression. But I'll be going into a lot of this so that it makes a lot more sense. Once we grasp the importance of toroidal fields, sound, swirling, vortexing, creating magnetic fields, and how all of this is affected and displayed in a spectacular way for us. It's laid out for us in the ancient stone circle ruins, in the Taurus stones in my museum, the cone-shaped tools. What is the relationship between the cone-shaped tools and Taurus stones, magnetic fields? It is a beautiful, simple story that once that penny drops for you, you can pretty much explain everything in the universe and in creation, because it all comes from those primordial, fundamental shapes. So, if you're interested in all this stuff, join me, only 20 people, the weekend of 5 to 7 December. I really look forward to seeing you here, and let's have a great weekend and no holds barred. We're prepared to talk about everything and anything. All right, hope to see you here. Go to my website, go to stonecirclelodge.co.za. There is a page for that specific weekend and event. Click on that and get all the details, the itinerary. We're going to start on Friday afternoon for sundowners here at Stone Circle Lodge on the balcony behind the chalets with a great view of the mountains. Start with sundowners conversation and getting into the weekend, and then Saturday a lovely full day, and Sunday morning we then go to Adams Calendar. All right, I look forward to seeing you here, and until then, Michael Tellinger, bye for now.